everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching you about family title names in Xhosa. Umzukulu. Umzukulu. Umzukulu means grandson. Umzukulwana. Umzukulwana. Umzukulwana means granddaughter. Umazala. Umazala. Umazala means mother-in-law. Utatazala. Utatazala. Utatazala means father-in-law. Umolokazana. Umolokazana. Umolokazana means daughter-in-law. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.